Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video on Learn Yoruba Online. This video I'm going to be teaching you how to greet during festive period in the Yoruba culture. As we have it's this December, edging towards the new year. Greeting is actually part and parcel of the Yoruba language, and there are different ways of greeting in the Yoruba language, which are, greeting is actually part of the Yoruba language, and understanding the greeting will give you a cue of the depth and the richness of the Yoruba language. And then going straight into, there are three major types of greeting that I will be actually telling us in this video. First and foremost, if you want to greet someone during the festive period in the Yoruba language, maybe during the New Year, during the Christmas, or whatever it is that you are celebrating, if it's actually annually, people actually call it Odun if it's annually. So in greeting someone, you can say Aku Odun o, Aku Iyedun, Aku Odun o, Aku Iyedun. As I've said earlier, greeting is actually part and parcel of the Yoruba language, and there are actually meanings embedded in these greetings. So if you say Aku Odun, that is, let me just say this: if you want to greet someone in Yoruba for anything the person is doing, you will always use Eku or Aku. The Eku means that is you are referring to them. Aku means that you are referring to we ourselves. I did a video on first person, second person, and third person. You can check that how to get a proper understanding on that. So we always use, even if it's good morning, Eku aro, good afternoon, Eku osan, good night, good evening, Eku ale. So Eku is just about congratulating people that, okay, wow, I congratulate you. And so we majorly use Eku in greeting, in all form of greeting. We used to use Eku. If someone just gave birth, you say, oh, Eku ewu omo. Eku will always be at the beginning of greeting in Yoruba language. So if you want to greet someone during the festive period, you can say Aku Odun. We didn't use Eku Odun, we use Aku Odun because we are all celebrating it together. Means that is we are in it together. So Aku Odun, that is, you are greeting them for the festive for the annual celebration. Aku Odun. And one thing to note here is that when we're talking about Odun in Yoruba is something used to represent something that is done annually. So Odun is something that is done annually. So Odun yi, Odun tombo, that is this year and then next year. So in a little bit we refer to Odun as time. Of course, time in Yoruba is Igba, but most times Yoruba actually use Odun to even calculate time. So that's why we have it in Odun as Aku Odun. That is, you are actually greeting each other. If you want to greet someone who is doing something annually, that okay, so who is celebrating an annual occasion, maybe the New Year, the Christmas, you can say Aku Odun, and you can now make it more rich. You can enrich it and go beyond Aku Odun. You can then say Aku Odun, Aku Iyedun, Emi o se opolopo ninu ayo ati àlàáfíà. Let me explain. Aku Odun, Aku Iyedun, Aku Odun, Aku Iyedun, Emi o se opolopo ninu ayo ati àlàáfíà. Aku Odun, as I've said earlier, that is, you are just greeting them for the new year. Odun means year. So Aku Odun, and then the O that is there, the O is just for emphasis. Whenever you use O in a place, it actually shows that you are excited about it. So for example, if you just say Aku Odun, it doesn't show that you are excited about it. Well, you say Aku Odun, that is, you are also excited about it. The O is actually used to lay emphasis. So whatever someone actually say and then end it with O, the person actually means is emphasizing what is actually saying. So we have Aku Odun. Aku is actually the greeting, like congratulating someone. Then Odun is actually the time of the year, and then O is an expression. And then another word we used to say when we say Aku Odun is Aku Iyedun, that is Iye in Yoruba means survive. Iyedun, that is you survive another year. Aku Odun, Aku Iyedun, Aku Odun, Aku Iyedun, Aku Odun, congratulations on the annual celebration that we are all doing. Aku Iyedun, that is you survive another year. And then Yoruba will now go ahead to say Emi o se opolopo ninu ayo ati àlàáfíà. Emi is life. Emi o se will mean that is to do. O se means to do. Ninu Emi o se opolopo. Emi o se means to do. Opolopo means plenty. Èmi ó ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú means in ayọ̀, then ayọ̀ means joy, àti means and. I did a video on conjunctions, you can consult that. And àlàáfíà means peace. As also that you are stressing it. So let me go again. A kú ọdún o, a kú ìyèdún. Èmi ó ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú ayọ̀ àti àlàáfíà o. A kú ọdún o, a kú ìyèdún. Èmi ó ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú ayọ̀ àti àlàáfíà o. That is, you are congratulating them on the festive period, on the annual festival, and then you are also saying a kú ìyèdún. That is, I'm congratulating you that you survive another year, and you say èmi ó ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀. That is, your life. Èmi is life. Your life will do plenty more in joy and peace. So that is what that is. A kú ọdún, a kú ìyèdún. Èmi ó ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú ayọ̀ àti àlàáfíà o. So that is that. A kú ọdún o, a kú ìyèdún. Èmi ó ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú ayọ̀ àti àlàáfíà o. So that is for that. And then going to another greeting, we also have a kú àlàjá ọdún. It's just the different ways of saying the same thing. But if you want to say it in another way, maybe that may be complicated for you. You may say a kú àlàjá ọdún o, ojú wa ó rọ̀dún pẹ́ o, ẹ̀mí á ṣe púpọ̀ rẹ̀ o. A kú àlàjá ọdún o. A kú àlàjá ọdún, that you are greeting someone for surviving the year. Just like a kú ìyèdún, but àlàjá is also like surviving the year, but àlàjá means like a breakthrough. That is, you actually, in the year, there will be different kind of hurdles, different type of challenges, some accidents have happened, things like that. But Yoruba will say, a kú àlàjá ọdún, that is congratulating you for breaking forth and seeing another year. That is, this year actually come, and then another year is coming. That is another year done on us, and then we look back. We are now saying, oh, a kú àlàjá ọdún. That is, I'm congratulating you for breaking through to see another year. So that is what a kú àlàjá ọdún means. And then you can't just say a kú àlàjá ọdún. You can just say it, but you can also still further and say, oh, a kú àlàjá ọdún o, ojú wa ó rọ̀dún pẹ́ o. Ojú means eyes. Ojú wa ó rọ̀dún pẹ́ o. Rí, ojú wa ó rí ọdún pẹ́ o. Ojú wa ó rọ̀dún pẹ́ o. Whichever one is the same thing. Ojú wa ó rọ̀dún pẹ́ o. That is, your eyes will see the year for a long time to come. Ojú wa, that is ojú wa. Ojú is eyes. Wa means we. Ó rọ̀dún, that is we see years. Pẹ́ o, pẹ́ means long. Pẹ́ o, artist, pẹ́ o, that is, you are emphasizing the o, means you are emphasizing that it will be so long. So a kú àlàjá ọdún, that is congratulating on breaking forth to see another year. Ojú wa ó rọ̀dún pẹ́ o, our eyes will see many more years. Ẹ̀mí á ṣe púpọ̀ rẹ̀ o, that is, your life will see your life will actually do many more of it, so that you will celebrate more of it. It's just the same way with ojú wa ó rọ̀dún pẹ́. It's just another we say ojú wa ó rọ̀dún pẹ́, ojú wa ó rọ̀dún pẹ́, and then you also say ẹ̀mí á ṣe púpọ̀ rẹ̀. That is, your eyes will see the year for a long time, and your life will also celebrate more to come. So it's just different ways of saying the same thing. So let me go again. A kú àlàjá ọdún o, ojú wa ó rọ̀dún pẹ́ o, ẹ̀mí á ṣe púpọ̀ rẹ̀ o. Just 3 words combined together to greet, which is actually quite common in the Yoruba language. A kú àlàjá ọdún o, ojú wa ó rọ̀dún pẹ́ o, ẹ̀mí á ṣe púpọ̀ rẹ̀ o. A kú àlàjá ọdún o. Congratulations on breaking forth and seeing another year. Ojú wa ó rọ̀dún pẹ́ o. Our eyes will see the years for a long time to come. And then ẹ̀mí wa ṣe púpọ̀ rẹ̀ o. That is, our life will actually celebrate more of it. And then lastly, the third sentence, a kú àṣekù ọdún o. A kú àṣekù ọdún o. Ọdún ó yàbò fún gbogbo wa o. A kú àṣekù ọdún o. Ọdún ó yàbò fún gbogbo wa o. A kú àṣekù ọdún o. Ọdún ó yàbò fún gbogbo wa o. A kú àṣekù ọdún is just also about greeting. That is, we've actually probably a kú àṣekù ọdún, like it's just about also greeting someone for actually seeing the new year as well. Just another way of actually greeting. That is, we've done this year, we will do another one. That is a kú àṣekù. Àṣekù means that you've done something, and then there is more that is left. So when you say a kú àṣekù ọdún, you are just saying, okay, we've done this one, we are still going to do another one. So that's another way of greeting during the festive period. So aku asheku odun, that is, you've done this one, you will do another one. Aku asheku. Asheku means you've done something and then there is still more that you have to do. So that is asheku. Aku asheku odun o, that is, we've done this year, we will actually do more. And then continue, you can then say odun yabo fun gbogbo wa o, odun yabo fun gbogbo wa o, odun yabo fun gbogbo wa o. Odun o yabo, that is, the year we turn female for all of us. The year we abo in Yoruba, there's two expression for male and female in the Yoruba language. Of course, we have obìnrin and ọkùnrin if it's a human, but if it's actually we also use abo and akọ to actually mark gender. Akọ is male, abo is female. So Yoruba sometimes use it when something is akọ, that is, it's something challenging, something that has stress, something that's actually very, very challenging, something that's full with sometimes horror. But when we say something is abo, that is, oh, something that is gentle, something that is kind. So Yoruba will say Odun ayabo fun gbogbo wa o, Odun yabo fun gbogbo wa, that is, the year we turn female for all of us. And it's actually a word, a metaphor, that okay, the year we actually turn to be very gentle towards us, we will enjoy it, we will not actually see any form of challenges in the year. So let me go on that again. Aku asheku odun, that is, we've done this one, we will see another one. And then odun yabo fun gbogbo wa o, that is, the year will be female for all of us. And then the female means that it will be gentle, it will not be hard for us. So that is it for greeting in the Yoruba language during the festive period. In consequent video, I have different videos if you want to learn Yoruba language, about the first person, how to form new words in the Yoruba language, the rules and the principles that actually apply to it. And another video very soon, I'm going to be teaching you how to form sentences and the rules that are applicable to form new sentences in the Yoruba language. And also I'm going to be explaining about some richness and the depth of the Yoruba language. This is Learn Yoruba Online. And I would like you to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you are new here. So, and if you like private tutorial, I'm also available for you for that. I take few students, and this the new year I will be taking few students again. So that's this on Learn Yoruba Online. Kindly like and subscribe to this video. See you in subsequent video.